Okay, number 18 is asking you to write an equation of a line. So these are linear equations. So what I want to do is first tell you guys or remind you guys all the different forms. You have point-slope form, which is the most important form that you should know. Then you also have slope-intercept form. And then you have standard form. Now, standard form has a special A right here. He is not negative. Also, A and B aren't fractions. So that's standard form. So those are the three forms. And I always start with point-slope form. Okay, so if I start with the very first one that I wrote down, the first thing I'm going to need is my slope. I need a slope. So I'm going to go 10 minus 4, and then negative 4 minus negative 6. So 10 minus 4, those are the y's. Remember, you find rise over run, so you subtract the y values on top. That'll give you the rise. And then you subtract the x values on the bottom. Make sure you stay in the same order. Since 10 was first on the top, negative 4 is going to be first on the bottom. So you get 6 over 2, which is 3. You guys all still with me? And then to do this form, you have to choose one point, this x and y. Okay, so it doesn't matter which point you choose. They both work. I'm going to choose the first point. So there you have it. There is point-slope form. Now, if I want to write it in slope-intercept form, where y is alone, I just have to add 4 to both sides. Then distribute and combine like terms. So I get y equals 3x plus 18 plus 4. So we get y equals 3x plus 22. So those are the two answers so far. Now we got to do standard form. So to do that, we got to get the x term and the y term on the same side. So if I subtract 3x from both sides, I get negative 3x plus y equals 22. And then I'd have to change the signs of everything by multiplying everything by negative 1 so that my first number is not negative.